Hello again today, class. We are going to solve a story problem using base 10 blocks or sticks and bits. If you haven't gotten a chance to yet, go back and watch Monday and Tuesday's video about how we can use base 10 blocks to show or represent teen numbers as 10 and some ones. But today, what I would like to do is I would like to move on back and go back and revisit story problems since we are focusing very heavily on story problems. I wrote a story problem out about one of your favorite things, I'm sure, sweets, and we are going to solve it using base 10 blocks as well as pictures of sweets. So, the first thing we need to do is we need to read the story problem and figure out what we need to do with it. It says, I put 10 sweets in a jar. I earned 4 more sweets from my teacher. How many sweets do I have in all? So let's see, I'm going to circle my numbers. I have a 10 and I have a 4. I'm going to go ahead and write those up here. 10 and 4. And it looks like I have a word down here in all. Let's see if you can remember. Is in all a Gus the plus word? Or is it a Linus the minus word? Think about it for a second. That's correct. Anytime you see the words in all, it tells you to add. So we are adding 10 and 4 today. We are going to try to solve this answer. Now, I could put sweets in here. That is one way I can solve. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I can add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can get the answer that way. If we counted them all, let's count them. I'm going to move it so you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14 as my answer. But there is an even quicker and easier way to show your answer if you put a 10 stick up here and count on from 10. So I need 10 and then I need 4 ones. Here are my bits. Here's my 10 stick. Here are my bits. Let's count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And look at that. I got 14 both times. So I know my answer is 14. 10 plus 4 is 14, or I could read it like this: 10 and 4 is 14. Let's write that in a sentence. When you do your math challenge problems, you have to show your work at least one way. Show your number sentence, show your answer, and write a sentence showing how you got your answer. So I have 14. You can write the word form or the number form. I have 14 sweets in all. And that's my Gusta Plus word, my Gusta Plus phrase. I have 14 sweets in all. If you wanted to show the tens and the ones, you could roll out this 10 stick and 4 ones, 4 bits. 10 plus 4 equals 14, as well as circle my answer right there. This is a quality answer for this math problem. If this were the math problem that um, you were solving for the math challenge, you would get every point, full credit for that one, and be well on your way to earning your t-shirt. So I hope you guys uh, are practicing not just the math challenge story problems, but the story problem that is on our work calendar for the week, so that you will become story problem superstars. Story problems help you with reading because you're reading them with an adult usually. They help you with math. You're solving problems different ways, and they help you with writing. When you write out an answer like this, you're working on your writing. So story problems are a huge quality assignment because it helps you practice not just one but three things in three different areas. Well, it was so nice working with you today. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Goodbye, class.